I'm Mélisande Rouger of Diagnostic Imaging Europe. We're live at the Bayer booth from RSNA 2023, and I'm going to speak with Ben Panter, CEO of Blackford Analysis. Hi, Ben.
Hi, good to meet you.
I'm good. So you're heading one of the most widely used platforms in the AI medical imaging space. Blackford Analysis was acquired by Bayer earlier this year, so that means your company is operating at Bayer's arm length. How do Bayer and Blackford complement each other, and how do they support their customers' needs?
Well, I think it's a great question. You're looking at a leader in platform technology in radiology. So all the integration into different elements of workflow, all of the partnerships with many different providers of AI, really the hub of a great ecosystem. And you combine that with a pharma company that has vast clinical expertise and experience. And the combination is really powerful because you've got that technology know-how, you've got the market relationships, and you've got the market access information that comes from a pharma company. So together you have a very strong combination that really makes an impact for both clinicians and their patients.
There's a tremendous amount of AI solutions available out there, and there's also a number of challenges limiting the application of these tools. So I was wondering, how will Bayer, in cooperation with Blackford Analysis, help navigate through this jungle and boost wider application of these tools in hospital practice?
Well, I think jungle is an interesting way to put it, right? That we have an emerging market. There's all sorts of absolutely well-intentioned technology out there that is becoming more and more widely used. But to be honest, it is an emerging market. There are huge variations between the scanners that generate the data that actually goes into an AI algorithm and gets read, and there's different applications that you need to use this AI technology to address. And I think there's two kind of fundamental areas that are really important. One is validation and verification. So can I really be sure that this AI algorithm working in my facility, on my data, my patients, with my clinicians, really performs well? And I think that's a key challenge for AI. The other one that I'd say is to be able to integrate into workflow. It's no use having a beautiful product that sits somewhere off to the side and is never used because it's not convenient. So I think there are two kind of challenges there. One of trying to work out whether these tools are useful for a given clinical or commercial challenge within a facility, and the other is to actually make them useful. Now, the work that Bayer through Blackford and Clantic does is to really try to both find ways to evaluate performance of these algorithms and also to recognize that you can bring them together into coherent packages. And, either approach is useful. We actually choose to do both of those through the Clantic and Blackford brands. In terms of integrating into workflow, we do a huge amount of work to really make sure that we don't get in the radiologist's way when they're trying to use AI. I give you the example of triage. So there you're looking for something in a scan that maybe accelerates the reading of that scan by a radiologist. It brings it to that radiologist's attention earlier. You have to integrate across the whole of workflow to be able to deliver that, and you need to know that you're doing the right thing. And that's a way that Bayer through Blackford and Clantic is managing to help those customers to really get value from AI.
Okay, where do you see AI taking healthcare in the future?
Well, I think it's no surprise that cancer and cardiovascular disease is increasing, the complexity of scans is increasing, and the number of radiologists we have is decreasing, and that leads to a real bottleneck. I think that AI has great promise to accelerate the journey to a diagnosis, and then enable earlier treatment, which improves patient outcomes.
Thank you so much, Ben, for your answers.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.